All right, so this is lesson 6.1. We're figuring out how to compute the sales tax. And the first question we ask is, why do we have to pay sales tax? Why can't we just go, it's $1.99, I'm going to give you $1.99, and we get on with our lives? How come we have a sales tax? Okay. Good thing we're studying this then, right? All right, well, let's review what a sales tax is. It's a tax on the selling price of an item or service you purchase. So go ahead and in your notes fill in sales tax in the gray box. The sales tax rate is usually expressed as a percent, which is why we did, in our day one bell ringer, we did a couple of percent problems, and varies from place to place. Right now we're in the city of Placerville, technically. So the city of Placerville itself has its own tax rate. The county of El Dorado, which is where we're also physically located, has a tax rate. And the state of California also applies a sales tax to certain items as well. So depending upon where you are and what you're buying, your tax rate will change. So to calculate the sales tax, and you guys can fill this in a little gray box, the sales tax is your total selling price times whatever your tax rate is. And sometimes we'll have to add our rates in together, because we'll have to add the city and the county and the state. So our buddy Harley here, he got a cell phone for $199.95. He also got a phone case for $19.95. We are going to calculate the sales tax for Harley. He lives in Austin, Texas. The state tax rate is 6.25%, and the combined city and county tax is 2%. So the first step is calculating the total selling price. So we take our $199.95 and add the $19.95 to that, and we get $219.90. That is what we're paying sales tax on. The second part is computing the sales tax. So we're going to take our 6.25% and our 2%. In your calculator, when you're adding percents, do not engage the percent key. When you're adding the percents together, don't use the percent key. When you're multiplying your total amount by the percent, you go ahead and engage that percent key in your calculator. And then we want to round, when we're talking money, until we get to 6.3, we're going to round to the nearest penny. So we got 18.14175. We're going to round to the nearest penny, which is this 4 here. So because we have a 1, which is smaller, it's 4 or smaller, it stays $18.14. Okay, this goes in that gray, all this goes in the gray box. Okay, we're going to do a couple of practice problems together, and remember you guys are going to be taking a quiz on this tomorrow at the beginning of class. So I want to make sure you guys know how to do it. You'll be doing a similar problem to this problem number 2. So our buddy Sandy bought an outboard motor for her boat. She paid $420. What is the tax rate? What is the amount of tax she pays? if the tax rate is 7%. Pretty straightforward. Let me pull a calculator out. I don't have it. It's been a while since I mostly used the calculator function. I can't see it. Oh. All right, so $420 times 7% is $29.40 in tax. All right, the next question is Savannah. She bought a vacation, lucky girl. Her tax rate for the state of Florida it was 6%, and for the city tax is 1.25%. When you put these numbers in your calculator, do not do the percent, because we're just adding them together. But when we multiply 2520 by the 7.25, we do put this percent key in our calculator. 2520 7.25%. $182.70 in tax. Okay, any questions about the sales tax?